WhatsApp just built a scam detector that Meta itself can't see though, and it's landing at the exact moments India's telecom regulator is trying to force WhatsApp to hand over exactly that kind of data. Here is the collision course. What Meta just launched. On August 12, Meta released a technical overview of a new feature called Scam Alert. It's an on-device tool, meaning it's run entirely on your phone, not on Meta servers. It scans incoming messages from people who aren't your contacts and checks them against known scam patterns. If something looks off, you are getting a warning inside the chat, only you see it. You can block, report, or mark the chat as trusted. If you trust it, the warning disappears for future messages in that chat. And if you want, you can even choose to share the last five messages to help improve accuracy, but that's an opt in message by message. Then comes what Meta actually says. So, what does Meta get out of this? Two things, both anonymous, both aggregated, both run through differential privacy noise before Meta even touches them. First, warning counts, how often the model flagged something. Second, actions counts, whether people trusted or reported those flags. That data pass through what's called a trusted execution environment, a lockdown processing pipeline that blocks all access even for Meta own engineers. On paper, no one at Meta can read the raw, unaggregated numbers. Meta also built in three different verification claims, no targeted model delivery. Every model version is logged on public append only, laser before it ever reaches a phone. Verifiable behavior, the model weights are published, so searchers can confirm it's only looking for scams. And user visibility, you can check exactly which messages were scanned inside WhatsApp own settings. Then comes why this is actually a regulatory move. Here where it gets interesting. This isn't a safety feature, it's a direct answer to a regulatory fight that's been building for months. India's telecom regulator TRAI is finalizing an amendment to its spam rules. The TCCPR Third Amendment. Telecom operators want messaging apps like WhatsApp Signal and Telegram brought under the same rules that apply to phone networks. The draft would require these apps to share spam reports with the Telecom Do Not Disturb registry and would let try invoke the IT Act against apps that don't comply, putting the legal safe harbor protection at risk. The industry body representing these companies, IMI, has pushed back at calling it, in their words, an unconstitutional grab of property data. And this is in the first class. Back in July, India's IT ministry forced WhatsApp to pull its username feature, the one that let people message without sharing their phone number, over fears it would fuel phishing and impersonation scams. So, Scam Alert is Meta counter move. Instead of giving regulators network level visibility into who's messaging whom, it fights scams entirely on the device. No spam report sharing, no data handover, encryption stays intact. Then comes why is this, what this means going forward. This is still a limited beta, not a full rollout. Meta says it's all keep stress testing through its bug bounty program before going wide. But the biggest story is the pattern. As India pushes for more platform levels access to fight fraud, companies like Meta are betting they can solve the same problem without giving that access up. Whether regulators accept the trade-off is a fight to watch. Now the conclusion part. If you want the policy fight shaping India tech explained without the jargon, that's what this channel does. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.